There is a vast assortment of milling cutters available for modern manufacturing facilities. This short lesson will focus on the basic types which are most commonly used. Face mills are typically used to clean up the surface of a part. End mills are typically used to remove material from around the outside of the part and internally to create pockets. Contour cutters are precision ground into the shape of standard contours, such as concave and convex radii, dovetails, corner rounding, slotting cutters, and angled cutters. Milling cutters such as these are often stacked together on the machine arbor and used to cut multiple profiles at once. Slitting and slotting saws are designed to cut narrow slots into parts. It is important that the process planner verifies the cutter they wish to use is of the standard diameter and length. The aforementioned cutters are not the only milling cutters, but are some of the most common ones. And within each group of cutters, there are numerous variations which can be purchased. When process planning, always check the cutter supplier's website or catalog to see what standard cutters are available.